be nice until it's time to not be nice. The immortal words of Patrick Swayze in the timeless classic Roadhouse. Look, kids are gonna misbehave time to time. It just goes with the territory. And teachers need to learn how to manage this behavior both in person and online. Stay tuned for one tip that'll make things easier than ever to manage behavior that goes a little off track. Hi, and welcome to Classroom Confidential and Zoom Tips for Teachers. My name is Christopher Youngren, and I'm a middle school ELA teacher in Tucson, Arizona. So look, sometimes there's gonna be behavior management problems, right? We're gonna run into challenges with certain kids time to time who are acting up or acting out, and we need to do something to redirect before things really get out of hand. So, maybe they're just talking out of turn too much, they're causing a lot of distractions. Maybe you can tell they're playing video games because you can see the reflection of Minecraft in their glasses. Maybe they're texting on their phone. Whatever the case may be, use the breakout room as a place to send them and then excuse yourself and go have a little chat with them, all right? You don't want to call them out in front of the rest of the class because then they're going to start fronting and throwing shade and things might get kind of unpleasant and ugly. But if you were in person, chances are you could take the kid out into the hallway, right, and have a talk with them then. And what you're going to find is once you get them one-on-one in a breakout room and you're just talking to them directly, they don't have an audience, they don't have anybody to show off for, and you're gonna get a lot more, hopefully, honest response from them about what's going on. Maybe something you're doing is bugging them. Maybe something you said hurt their feelings, God forbid, but it could happen. Maybe something is going on at home that has nothing at all to do with the class. But the fact is, if you have them one-on-one and are able to talk to them and listen to them, validate their feelings so they feel like they are heard, you're gonna get a lot farther than if you just try to rule with an iron fist in front of the class and say, "You must obey me, I am the teacher, and whatever I say you must do or be punished." That never worked for anybody. But if you use the breakout room, go talk to them, have a chat, and then let them have the choice. Are you ready to rejoin the class now, or do you need a few minutes? And if they need a few minutes, then let them have it. Maybe they're really upset and they need to calm down. But give them that space. Give them that time. Validate their feelings. Say, "I see you. I hear you. I recognize what's going on." Maybe none of this is going on and they're just being a jerk, all right? In that case, you're going to have to take a slightly different, perhaps more firm tack than you would otherwise. But at any rate, give them the choice to come back when they're ready. They have to come back at some point because they need to be in class. But don't demand that they come back if they're not ready at that point. So use the breakout rooms. Use the breakout rooms. You're going to find that it's really effective for you. Maybe not. Hey, maybe it stinks. Maybe it's a terrible tactic for you, and maybe you have other ways of managing unruly behavior. Let me know. Comment down below and share your tips with me for the kids who are getting out of hand on behavior that's unmanaged in a Zoom meeting, or if you have other ways of using the breakout rooms. I'd love to hear that as well. I really value your input, and I love hearing from you. Hey, if you got value out of this video, smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, check this one out. It's another really good one in the Zoom Tips for Teachers series. If you like all my videos, why not subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep them coming. Take care of yourselves out there, and take care of someone else. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.